Hi, welcome to Your Mentor YouTube channel. To get the government job, PhD admissions, work from home job, PGT, TGT and assistant professor job notifications, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Share, like and comment my videos. In this video, we are going to see graduate, postgraduate, any postgraduate recruitment notification from one of the university, and there is no application fee and there is no written examination. Directly the selection will be based upon the interview, and here the university will provide the UGC 7th CPC salary. So with the 7th CPC means with only graduation or the post graduation, you can get up to 81,100 rupees per month as per the levels of the 7th CPC. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities in this pandemic situation. It will be very much helpful to them. And if your requirement is not there in this video, then please mention your subject or the requirement in the comment section of this video. If I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. To get my next video as a notification, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And please watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this university recruitment notification. Before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, the educator of electronic science and the general paper 1. So the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next cycle, here the new batch course is going to start from October 27th onwards. So it is a paper 1 and electronic science course guys. The interested candidates may take the subscription plan. So here you may check down. So whatever the subscription plan you want to take, you may use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, to get 10% discount. Coming to the present content of the video, it is a Banasthali Vidyapeeth guys. So from this university, here we got the non-teaching positions, and here you may check down that the data center administration, technical staff, administrative staff, library staff, hostel warden, assistant hostel warden, medical officers, nurses, lab technician, radiographer, record keeper, and here the application form is also there. So first we will check out the details regarding this one guys. So click on this one and then you will be directed to this PDF which is mentioning all the details very clearly, and we will check down step by step. Okay. So this Banasthali Vidyapeeth is a university for women, so university with a difference, and it is a primary institute for the women education and re-accredited A++ by the NAC. Okay, so wonderful college guys it is. So data center administrator, MC or MSc or BTech, computer science or IT, or graduate with 1 year diploma in computer programming and application from a recognized university or the institute, and the 2 to 3 years of experience of working with the network or MS databases and others. Data center related areas are the preferred. Experience working in network provider environment is required. Database and networking certifications are an additional advantage. And coming to the technical staff, senior or junior technical assistant for the computer laboratories, MC or MSc or BTech or graduate with 1 year of diploma in the computer programming and applications. Next, network administrator or the network assistants, graduate with 1 year diploma with the relevant skills, preferably CCNA or CCNP or MSCN. Next, senior or junior technical assistants for the electrical or mechanical or mechatronics. So BTech, electrical or mechanical, 3 year diploma from a recognized university or institute, knowledge of the PLC, SCADA, robotics, AutoCAD, CNC, 3D printing, mechatronics, electrical machine, pneumatic system technician, augmented and the virtual reality, mixed reality, Internet of Things is desirable. Next one is senior or junior technical assistants or lab assistants for the life sciences, MSc or BSc with biotechnology or botany or chemistry or zoology or allied branches of life sciences. Certificate or diploma in the instrumentation is desirable, not necessary, but it is, if it is there, it is desirable. Okay. And next one is technical assistants or lab assistants for the physics or home science. So BSc with physics or home science from recognized university or the institute. And the next one is senior or junior technical assistant or the lab assistants for pharmacy or the chemical engineering, diploma in the pharmacy or chemical engineering. Next one is lab assistants for the earth sciences required. So BA or BSc with the geography. Next one is lab assistant for the nursing, BSc in the nursing, and junior technical assistants or the technician or mechanic for workshop. So IT or diploma or BTech in these respective departments. Okay. So metal worker or welder, turner, fitter, machinist, and all these specializations. Minimum 2 to 3 years of relevant experience will be highly desirable. Okay. And coming to the administrative staff, so finance officer required, chartered accountant with 5 years of experience in the reputed firm, and controller of examinations, first or second class master's degree, 10 years of relevant experience of conducting the university examinations, or else the 10 years of relevant experience in position involving the supervision or controlling and the planning. Next one, personal secretary to the vice chancellor, graduate with 5 years of experience at the similar position in the university or the industry, good written and oral communication skills in Hindi and English. Next, additional register, first or second class master's degree, 10 years relevant experience involving supervision, control and planning or teaching in an education institute. Next, deputy register, first or the second class master's degree with 7 years of relevant experience. For the assistant register, same thing, master's degree, 7 years of relevant experience. And the section officer, graduate with 10 years of experience, office superintendent, graduate with 7 years of experience, and office assistant, graduate with 5 years of experience, and the upper divisional clerk, any graduation with experience in the repeated organization, and the lower divisional clerk, graduate with the knowledge of working with computers and typing in Hindi and English. Next, public relation officer, good second class master's degree in journalism and mass communication, and 3 to 5 years of relevant experience in education institute. Placement officer, UG or PG degree with 5 to 3 years of relevant experience in the educational institute. Next, the library staff also required. So PhD, master's degree in library science with 10 years of experience for the librarian, and assistant librarian, master's degree with 5 years of experience, library assistant, bachelor's degree in library assistant, and familiar with the library software. Okay. So salaries are as per the 7th pay commission recommendations through the Banasthali Vidyapeeth. And having said that, and workers and see guys, applications duly supported by testimonials. Testimonials means all the documents whatever they are asking. Okay, along with the passport size photograph should reach within the 3 weeks to Secretary Banasthali Vidyapeeth. So PO Banasthali, here the pin code is also given. The candidate can download the prescribed application form from the university website. So it is a university website and it is a application form that you can click on this one to get the downloaded guys. And actually this notification published on 8th December 2021. So 3 weeks means still more time is there. But whoever the candidate's interest and relevant experience is there, then you can apply for these positions guys. Okay. So please subscribe the channel to get the more notifications like this. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET examination from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. So if you are interested, you may continue this video. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Yeah. Hi guys. Welcome to my channel. So myself, I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So myself, I cleared the UGC NET as well as the GATE for the 2 times in electronics and communication subject. And in this video, I want to bring you one new batch course for the candidates who are preparing for the next NTA UGC NET exam cycle. So next cycle means as if right now in the month of November and December, NTA UGC NET is conducting the exam for the December 2020 as well as the June 2021 merit cycle. Fine. And the next cycle is the December 2021. So Unacademy started the new batch course guys for the paper 1 as well as the paper 2. And the highlights of this course are online live classes you will get. And even though if you miss the live class due to your busy schedule, you can watch the recorded videos also. And you can download the class PDFs also, which will be very much helpful for your preparation purpose, or else to write the short notes purpose, or else the revision purpose. And the test series are also you can avail from this new batch course. And while coming to the official website of the Unacademy, so all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. So it is not only providing the paid courses guys, it is providing the free online classes also. And you will get the free online classes on the 2 platforms. One is on Unacademy YouTube channel and one is on Unacademy app itself in the name of special classes. So here what I mean, NTA is conducting the UGC NET examination for a total 81 subjects, right? So out of the 81 subjects, Unacademy is providing the online courses or else what you call paid courses. Okay, that is nothing but complete coaching for the subjects that you may explore. What are the different subjects Unacademy is providing this UGC NET examination purpose? And coming to the list of the subjects, so general paper 1 teaching is common, that means teaching aptitude, that is paper 1 is common, that you will get in English language as well as the Hindi language. And coming to the remaining paper 2 subjects are commerce, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, sociology, labor welfare and English and education and geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, home science, environmental sciences, philosophy, mass communication and journalism, tourism, administration, management, Sanskrit, Punjabi, okay, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects that Unacademy is providing guys. And while coming to the myself, as I told that I'm providing the subject that is electronic science. So it is my profile. So for both paper 1 as well as the electronic science, I am the Unacademy educator. So the information to the electronic science candidates, I mean, not only to the electronic science candidates, so whatever the subject I shown you right now. So if you want to take the subscription plan where the new batch courses are going to start, guys, okay, if you want to take the subscription plan for all this one, then you may click on this get subscription. As I told in the starting itself that you will get the free online class as well as the paid courses also. But under the subscription, you will get the complete in detailed syllabus as per the UGC syllabus, guys. And you may take the plus or the iconic subscription. So if you click on the plus, okay, these are the different subscription plans are there. So you may take 1 month or 3 months or 6 months or 12 or 24 months. Okay. And here the price are also mentioned. So for 1 month 3,190 and 3 months 6,875 like this. And whatever the current courses are running, they are maximum up to the 3 months, okay, or else beyond the 3 months. So the suggestible one is the 3 months or the 6 months of subscription plan, or else if you are preparing for the next other cycles, you may take more than 6 months also. And if you go to this one here, it mentions that have a referral code here. So here I am providing one referral code, guys, ASWINIK. Okay. So if you click on this referral code and apply, so whatever the plan you are going to take here, for example, if you want to take the 6 months of subscription plan, okay, and if you use my referral code that is ASWINIK, then you will get the 10% discount. Okay, 10% off you will get on any one of the subscription plan. So previously I shown you whatever the subjects that is providing for the, providing by the Unacademy. So for any subjects you will get the 10% discount for the referral code that is ASWINIK, and then click on the proceed to pay. Okay. And while coming to the electronic science and the paper one, okay, so the new batch course is going to start from November 3rd onwards. Okay, that means the day of yesterday, November 3rd onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys, can utilize the opportunity. So already the course schedule, everything is launched here. Fine. So you may check down in my profile link also. And after downloading the Unacademy app, you may click on, you may search by this name, okay, Ashwini Kumar Gadige. Then you will be directed to my profile link and you may check down, okay, the schedule of this upcoming batch course. Fine. And here the lot of previously the course taken students, the lot of the students are highly satisfied, guys. So I may check down the dedications also from the previous batch students, right? So and you can also come on the free online classes also, that as I told that you will get on the Unacademy YouTube channel as well as on the special classes. So for example, before taking the subscription plan, if you want